Are you facing issue in building a proper engagement with your audience? So in this video, I will give you some tips to do so. So without any delay, let's start this video. The first tip is build your social media presence. So before even thinking of consumer interaction, you have to build something that the consumer will interact with. So build your social media presence. Be present in all the social media, be it Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, etc. and all the other social medias. You have to be present in all of them so that customers from all the different social media will be able to connect with you. Number 2, start promoting your social medias through the help of your products. While shipping your product, add a booklet that mentions all the social media handles that you have, so that even if 1% of your consumers are reading the booklet, they will know that you have a social media account and that they can give a review on that. Number 3, start question and answers. Start questioning your consumers, start gaining their perspectives, what they think about your product, what they think about your return policy, what they think about the new launch that you are going to bring. Start questioning them. And not only you will get answers, but also you will get different innovative ideas that can help you take your business to the next level. The brand that is doing it the best right now is Bewakoof. Their social media is top notch. They always attract the consumers with different types of memes. This brings us to our next point, that is meme marketing. The only thing that the consumers are not bored of is meme. You can hire a proper social media creator or a meme marketer so that he can design and bring new meme template for you and your audience. And if the audience starts laughing on your page, then this not only brings a positive feedback from the audience, but also the retention rate of the audience on your website will be much more, because they know that this website is cool, is somewhat of their own. So that will bring the possibility of you building a community. So here is an additional tip. Name all the social medias the same name. Let me give you an example. If you are a clothing brand, let's say X Clothing or X Fashion, let's take it X Fashion, then all your social media should be named as X Fashion. Like in Instagram it should be X Fashion, in Facebook it should be X Fashion, in YouTube it should be X Fashion, etc, etc, etc. All the social media handle name should be the same as your own brand name. This not only provides an easy way for your consumers to remember your name, but also it brings out the brand value for your website. Start doing that and you will soon see the results. So this is all for this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because in this channel we bring out various case studies and various tips that can help you in your e-commerce journey. Thank you.